I'm Andrew Faust. We're here at a client's property in Stone Ridge, and we helped put together a lot of pieces to solve a puzzle for him about what was going on with why he couldn't get grass to grow here, why it was such a beaten down part of his yard area. And what we pointed out was that there were two things that needed to happen. One, he needed to get gutters put on the house because this area gets inundated with a vast amount of runoff in a rainstorm. And two, remove a Norway maple, which is a tree that was here that was creating so much shade that no grass could grow under it. And then three, we said, put in a big rain tank so that we can catch, hold, and store that free income for you, and you can gravity feed it from this use point down to your chickens and your garden areas. And so we strategically solved three problems for him: how to get good grass cover, how to have a nicer situation going on with the back of his house, how to solve foundation problems, which were also happening from no gutter, and then how to have a free gravity-fed water supply. Today, what I wanted to show you is we just hooked up this gutter that was newly put on due to our advice and diverted it into the tank, which will then have a valve on it that we can easily open and close in order to gravity feed from the tank to another valve that we put on it that takes us to 3/4. So now the client can easily just hook this up to their garden hose, and they will have gravity-fed rainwater to all their needs on site. Andrew Faust, if you want free water, give us a call, 917-584-4588.